take your seat. Are you titillated? Are you mesmerized? Are you excited? Can we give ourselves a round of applause, please? Morning. I have been very emphatic for the doubters, fault finders, and I call it skeptics, much less objectors, in our trust, not my dream alone. Our vision, not my vision alone. It is our vision. And I always remember Bobby Abuitis. I was his co-chairperson. Governor Gwen Garcia was our chairman in the so-called GoCebu, and fond of putting for my own memory guide. Metro Cebu Development Coordinating Board, bringing what we should have, and it always have to be guided. DDI. I will repeat. Mr. President, Kenneth Ko, past President Felix, and the so-called Inter-Paris, kaya naman na sila first among equals. Prudence, Jerry, Ben, and Evan and Melanie. So with Felix, DDI, Mr. Albon, you should be seated over here. Can we give him a round of applause? That Mr. Sisilex, representing MVP. Of course, the third bridge. And perhaps for your information, the third bridge is emanating from my brain. I will remind everybody, when I was the Regional Development Council, among others that I envisioned and brought before the council for the information of all right now in this launching of another Herculean, very historical, and much of thinking CBN. And I go back, DDI, you must dream, design, and implement. You have seen the video. Are you happy with the video? I cannot too much of being convinced. Are you happy with the video? Are you a part of the video? Will you be supporting the city government toward the trust of Singapore-Like Cebu City? Are you a part of all of you up there? Are you? Will you be in this journey? Can you clap, please? So that the mayor will be convinced. Can you all please stand? Please stand. Because you've said you will be with us in this journey. This is not my vision. It has been a long aspiration by all of us. Yes or no? Yes. Raise your right hand and repeat after me, including all of you up. Please, please, please. And please stand. Please stand. Please stand. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Gathered here at Ayala Entertainment Center. Pledge and commit to support Cebu City, Singapore, or Singapore-Like Cebu City. And I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion, so help me God. Alam paglingkod na mo.
Entrepreneurship. ICT BPM. And creative. Congratulations once again. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our Cebu Business Month Major Thrust.